So we're just going to start with prepping our nails for our polygel. Then first of all, you use a nail file to file your nails, not too much so that you won't ruin your natural nails. When you're done with that, make sure to wipe off the dust with a nail polish remover or alcohol. So once you're done wiping off the dust, you buff your nails, and after buffing you do the same thing to the nails. So here I'm just pushing back my cuticles with a cuticle pusher, and you just push it down gently so that your polygel will fit into your nail and your nail will be very beautiful. Once you're done with that, you buff off the extra skin, the dead skin on your nail, and you clean off the dust with your alcohol or nail polish remover. So once you're done with that, you use your primer. I used primer for my nail, and you air dry it. So once you add a thin layer of primer on your nail and you air dry it. So we're just going to get started with our dual point. You find a dual point that fits perfectly with your nail. So I'm just using the Clear Coffee polygel. Then you apply a pea size on your natural nail. Use the dual form to fit it in. Then a little came off the edges, so I used my sleep solution to clean off the excess polygel on my skin. So once you're done with that, I had to improvise for my nail clamp, and I used a hair clamp instead. It actually worked out okay. So I just clamped my nails and used my brush to brush up the polygel into my desired length. So then you cure it for 2 minutes under the UV lamp. So once you're done with that, after I removed mine, I saw that it wasn't thick enough and it will break off easily, so I just added an extra layer. I forgot to film that part, but just add an extra layer and cure it for 20 more minutes. So I just did the next one and the next, and just continue the same way, adding top layers after curing for 2 minutes under the UV lamp. So make sure to remove all the excess polygel from your skin, because if you do not do that, it will definitely fall off, because when you're filing it, it will definitely fall off. Not eventually, but definitely it will fall off. So after you just remove your dual point, you add an extra layer on your nail. That's just like I'm doing right now, a little extra layer. You just use your brush to brush it off. I didn't want to use my sleep solution any longer because I didn't feel it was necessary. So just do the same thing on all your nails, and make sure that there are no air bubbles in your nails, because if there are air bubbles, it will pull off. Yes, so you just repeat the process for all your nails. Yeah, and after that, once you're done with curing, you use your nail polish remover or your alcohol to wipe off the excess, the sticky part of the polygel on your nail, and you will see how beautiful it looks. So here I'm doing my thumb for my right hand. That's the last nail. So as you can see, I'm removing the dual point from my nail, and I'm just adding the extra layer just to make it thick so it will not break off, because I don't like my nails breaking off. No one likes their nail breaking off. You get what I'm saying? So you just do that gently and you cure it for 2 minutes under the UV lamp. So after that, you wipe off the sticky part of the polygel on your nail. Then once you're done with that, you go over to the shaping and the filing of your nails. You file and shape to your desired length. So I made mine very short because I will definitely braid with them. So I made just my thumb and my index finger short, while the rest were normal length. So you go over filing the top of each nail. After that, you buff them off. You clean off the dust, then you buff them up. So I'm trying to do a design on my nails. I used the color 38 of the UV gel polish. So I just was trying out different designs on each nail, and you're going to see the final work. I used the pink and the 41, that's white and pink. So I was just trying out different designs on each nail to see how they will come out. So after doing that, you cure the gel polish under the UV lamp for 30 seconds, but I did it for 60 seconds. Then after that, you put your top polish on each nail and cure it for 60 seconds. Apply it gently over the top of the nail also. Then you cure it for 60 seconds. Then you wipe off the excess part of the gel, and your nails are gonna look this pretty. So guys, this is the nail. I'm so happy it came out this well. Well, if you like it, you can leave a like and a comment. Yes, thank you.